Helmholtz free energy. Another equation. The Helmholtz free energy or work function. The Helmholtz free energy or the work function is represented by capital A and is defined as A is equal to E minus Ts, where E is the internal energy of the system and T is the temperature and S is the entropy of the system. Change in Helmholtz free energy. We are going to determine what is delta A. Helmholtz free energy is a work function. Helmholtz free energy is a function of the state or state function. That is the change or in A depends only upon the initial and the final state of the system. Suppose a system transits from a state 1 to 2 at constant temperature. Here we are fixing the temperature constant. Let A1 is equal to E1 minus Ts1 and A2 is equal to E2 minus Ts2 because T kept constant. We can easily write delta A. Delta A is equal to delta E minus T delta S. T delta S because T is constant and S2 minus S1 is equal to, that is delta S, equation number 4, where delta E refers to the change in the internal energy and delta S to the change in entropy. This is the change in work function or Helmholtz free energy. Now, relationship between Gibbs free energy and Helmholtz energy, another important derivation for the examination. Derive the relationship between Gibbs free energy and Helmholtz energy. The change in Gibbs free energy is given by, this is we already determined, delta G is equal to delta H minus T delta S. The change in enthalpy at constant pressure is given by, that is delta H is equal to delta E plus P delta V. We know the value of delta H which we already determined earlier by taking H1, H2 and subtracting H2 minus H1. From that we got this value at constant pressure. That means P delta P kept it constant, 0. This equation we can substitute here, that is delta H place you put delta E plus delta P. Delta G is equal to delta E plus P delta V, this equation number 2, minus T delta S. Let it be is equal to equation number 3. Now, we already know that delta A is equal to, this is delta A is equal to delta E minus T delta S. This is the equation. By applying that equation number 4, that is equation number 4 to this, delta G is equal to delta A. This factor can be replaced by delta A plus P delta V. Therefore, substituting the value here, we get delta G is equal to delta A plus P delta V. Equation number 5. Equation number 5 represents the relationship between free energy and Helmholtz free energy. These two equations are, the derivation is very important.